This is going to be a quick tutorial on this 3-packet fidget move, something like that. So how to do this move is you do a swing cut like this. Then you're going to do another swing cut like this. And then you're going to extend this bottom packet right here. And then you're going to grab that. And when you're doing that, as you do that, you're going to connect this 2 of spades packet to the muscle right there underneath your thumb. And then you're going to push down with your thumb, helping this to rotate. And you can use your other thumb to fully rotate this. Then close. So this is a pretty easy move to do. So let me go over this one more time. So swing cut, and then swing cut again. Connect this corner to that muscle, and then push down with this thumb, then fully rotate with this thumb right here. And that's how you do it.